in this video we are going to learn how to fix Google Chrome not opening. So first of all, click Control Shift and Escape to open the Task Manager. So this one is the Task Manager, okay? And then look for the Google Chrome in the list. So go in the process and here look the Google Chrome. In this list you will find the Google Chrome. So if you find the Google Chrome, select it, click End Tasks and then open the Google Chrome again and it will work. It will start working. And if you cannot see Google Chrome in Task Manager, it means Chrome is not running in the background. So you cannot skip this step and try the next solution. So in my PC, there is no Google Chrome in this list. It means my it means my Chrome is not running in the background. Thus, it is completely okay.